I have arrived in Wales. 1:30 in the morning. Time to go find my hostel so I can get some sleep and I can explore some crazy castles tomorrow. There's nobody around. This is not quite like London. Not even like Edinburgh. There's always people around at night. It'd be cool to explore a different part of the UK in the morning. That was an interesting bird noise. Oh, it's too bad Tesco's not open. We don't have these in the US, but they're meal deals. Oh, what's up? Creepy. Little idea of what Cardiff is like at night. I don't even know why I'm recording this. This is not remotely interesting at all. Apparently the deal is here in Cardiff, maybe all of Wales, after midnight you can't get into a bar if you're alone. What? You have to have a group of people, otherwise they think you're up to no good. Apparently me, but anyways. It's crazy. The police have the way to make the things go down. That's cool, I've never seen that before. They got the access, bro. Well, this is nice. I finally got to my hostel in Cardiff. Had an interesting night. Would have been here a couple hours ago. But, well, it's a long story. Basically, I just met some random dude in the street. We went to get a couple drinks. I have this room. It's the highest, well, one of the highest rooms in this building. There's some huge staircase out here. I had to walk up like 7 flights of stairs. But I'm the only person in this room. That's obviously why I'm talking at 4:30 a.m. and the light's on. But anyways, I don't know why I'm taking this video and to show this room. Kind of worthless, but yeah, it's nice having a room to myself. So tomorrow I'm gonna go and explore Cardiff and see some castles, do whatever, figure out my plans to get to the north. Then Friday I'm headed on a ferry to Ireland, to Dublin. It's apparently gonna be interesting getting to that ferry. But anyways, this bag is ridiculous. Carrying this thing around is not fun. Got my day bag stuffed in the top there, which is why it's so obnoxiously tall, but altogether, when I put these things together, it weighs like probably 50 to 60 pounds. I don't know how many kilograms or whatever that is. All right, made it to Cardiff Castle. And this place has free entry, so that's pretty cool. Nice little moat we got going here. I don't know if that's keeping anybody out, but yeah, not a bad castle. I've seen better, but still pretty cool. Looks like it's mostly just the outer wall and this small little citadel here. A tower over there. Well, it was like a 5-minute walk from my hostel, so I wasn't gonna not come, especially with it being free. Need to find some signs that have some history so I can figure out when this castle was built. I don't know how old it is. I think it's super old. Nice dragon. Right. It's a full tree. Doesn't say anything interesting. Definitely want to go in there and there. Probably walk around the outer wall a little bit. See water at the bottom. Okay. So the residential block was built in the 1400s. Additions were made in the 1570s and then the 1770s. That's cool. Assuming that part, that's a little bit in ruin, is probably the oldest. This must be the residential stuff. Let's see what's inside here. I'll try not to be too obnoxious with my filming. I've heard of the Arab Room. Yeah, that's sick. Oh, that was worth coming in for, just that. Can't go in there. Nice. Now this is cool. Encyclopedia Britannica. I've actually got legit book volumes in here. It's pretty cool. What a shame. What a shame. And out we go. That was cool. All right. Well, would have liked to explore a different part. This was called like the Hall of Names or something like that. Couldn't go into the clock tower, so I paid tour for that. So like £4, but
Normally short shift, yeah.
Guess this is it. Kind of. There was a civil war. Part of the tower was destroyed in the Great Hall. Nice. That's a cool view. Over there. Ow. Just hit my head. Stupid low walkways. This time. Nice. Before I leave, I'm gonna fly my drone over this whole thing. There's nothing they can do to stop me. So many people.
Thank you, man.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah. Oh. Sorry.
Yeah.
Excuse me.
They just need a fire pole.
Right. And can you go up even more? That's cool. I'm gonna fly my drone over by that stuff over there that I can't get to.
因为应该是从那边过来的。那老鹰在看你在哪里的？哪里？
Oh, no, you can't go any further up. Only people to put up the flag. All right, well, wait a second. No way. Oh, they got it rigged. Never mind. And as long as the feds don't pull up on me, this is the perfect spot to launch the drone from. So, let's see if I can set this up and film the drone launching. People think I'm recording them, but there we go. Pick up my phone for a moment. As the feds are coming, I'm gonna have to edit a couple videos together here. So I'm gonna try this again. The damn park next to the castle that I was in was an authorization zone, so I couldn't even fly my drone anyways. But I'm gonna try again. So, you can't really see it, but the castle is over there. As long as nobody bothers me and this isn't another authorization zone, I might actually get it. But I'm not gonna try to record the takeoff this time because my phone's about to die. I've only got like 45 minutes till I gotta be at the train station, so I'm gonna make this quick. just flew my drone. I don't know if you can see it up there, but it's coming down to me. Let this do its thing. Here it comes. It knows exactly where to return to. Oh, well.
The drone doesn't like that. If you do that, it will try to escape. Like that. Just land it normally. So anyway, yeah, thank you for watching my video.